Our carbon footprint. It's the amount of greenhouse gases we humans release to the atmosphere, and a lot of it comes from our energy use. Let's meet 6 families from 3 countries in very different parts of the world. All use energy and all have a carbon footprint. 6 families, 3 countries. What do their carbon footprints look like? Power in the home generally means electricity. Everything from toasters to telephones, lights to computer screens, and it makes our lives easier. At the Lang and Pressler households, the refrigerator stores a week's worth of food, saving shopping time and effort. Electricity in the laundry room makes clothes washing a quick chore. And everyone with a fan or air conditioner depends on electricity to keep their cool in the summer. Electricity brings clean water from the treatment plant and from the well. Long ago, electricity eliminated the need for household help in middle-class homes and gave us more time for leisure.
What the heck? You made me jump.
The carbon footprint of electricity comes from the way it's made. Generating electricity using nuclear energy, hydroelectric dams, wind, geothermal, and solar doesn't emit carbon dioxide. But most of the electricity in the United States, 70%, is made by burning fossil fuels, mainly coal, which is plentiful and affordable. Burning fossil fuels also generates carbon dioxide because of its carbon content. For the Langs and Presslers, about 1/3 of their energy use is electricity. Electricity makes up nearly 2/3 of the household's carbon footprint. This is because most of their electricity is made by burning coal, which contains more carbon than any other fossil fuel. The Honda and Sharma families in New Delhi live in a world in transition. Better access to electricity means their compact apartments are being wired for modern appliances and 21st century electronics. Electricity powers the fans that bring relief from the year-round heat. Both households have a washing machine. Still, some laundry is washed by hand. Neither household has a clothes dryer, but the tropical climate makes hanging clothes an effective option. Dishes are washed by hand and air-dried. Affordable human labor still handles most household chores. India is using electricity to connect to the world, the computer, the internet, and everyone carries a cell phone. Abundant coal deposits supply over 70% of the electricity in India. For the Sharma and Honda households, electricity accounts for about 20% of household energy. Because most of the electricity comes from coal, it makes up nearly half of the household's carbon footprint. The Amans and Anumendams live in a world that is just gaining access to energy. Electricity came to Okada in 2008, replacing kerosene lamps and bringing cell phones, televisions, and a refrigerator for the local pub. It also brought the potential for a pump to bring clean water from the stream to the village. In the nearby city of Moyuka, the Aman family has enjoyed electricity for a few years, but the service is expensive and not everyone can afford it. Electric pumps bring water to homes and neighborhood taps. The high electric rates mean people use the energy sparingly. The families rise early, they rest during the hot afternoon, and work resumes with the cool of the evening. Household chores are done by hand. There is so much to do, and everyone has a role. The Anyamendams wash small loads of laundry at home and carry larger loads to the stream. Dishes are washed by hand after every meal. Mountainous Cameroon is blessed with many rivers and waterfalls, some of which have been tapped to make electricity. This means that while electricity accounts for 3% of the energy use in both households, it adds nothing to their carbon footprint.